you can't afford a lawyer, you're not alone. The vast majority of people in family court can't either, and they don't have lawyers, they do it themselves. Depending upon where you live or who you ask, the percentage of self-reps can range anywhere from 2/3 to 90%. So the first thing to ask yourself before you decide to go it alone is, will it hurt you? Can you do it? Let's discuss it. Hi, I'm Larry DeMarco, and I'm a family law, personal injury, and workers' compensation attorney. The reasons to get a lawyer are obvious. The stakes are high, and you're fighting over your children. Nothing matters more than family and your children. And what happens in court will affect you for a long, long time. Most people will tell you that you should get a lawyer, especially if the other side has one. But the reality of the situation is you might not qualify for a free lawyer because you make too much, but you don't make enough to afford those steep retainers that lawyers ask for. If that's your situation, then you're in really good company, because that's most people. And this YouTube channel, The Law Center, is for you. With the videos on my channel, I'll try to educate people to make it easier to go it on your own, at least part of the way. I'm going to be open and honest. If you don't have a lawyer and the other side does, the odds are stacked against you and you're at a huge disadvantage. It's just a fact. But let's look at why self-reps, people who represent themselves, do worse than other people with lawyers. Self-reps don't know basic law, and they don't know what they have to do to get what they want. Some don't know how to present their evidence to a judge or communicate clearly. Emotions run high. Adrenaline rushes cloud judgment, and non-lawyers don't have the experience to know what to expect. The good news is things have changed over the past 30 years for the better. It used to be that legal representation was all or nothing. You either retained a lawyer or you didn't. When you have a lawyer for the whole case, it's called full representation. The lawyer handles everything, including documents, all communication with the other side, investigation, going to court, which entails questioning witnesses and arguing to the judge. And if you didn't get full representation, you were completely on your own because no one else would take your case. But now, things are different. If you can't afford that traditional, complete, full representation, and let's face it, most people can't, there's a less expensive form of partial representation that's now available. Not everyone does it, but not all lawyers do this. But there's many who do, and the lawyers who do call it limited scope representation or unbundled services. The internet and technology make it much easier to find these lawyers who are flexible with this type of partial representation. So there's more of us and there's more opportunity for you to find someone. These lawyers provide only what is needed rather than that real expensive all or nothing option, which didn't used to be an option, it's all that was available. This allows you to select from a menu of legal help and customize your representation. There's really no limit to the type of arrangement that you can have. You just have to spell it out in writing, in agreement with your lawyer. For example, you can just have a lawyer represent you in court, but you draft all the paperwork yourself. Or you may want a lawyer to handle the paperwork and feel that you can go to court alone. This limited scope representation is designed to be an affordable option where you can get some legal advice and guidance without having to come up with money you don't have just to get any help at all. Here's one way to find a limited scope lawyer. Go to my website, familylawcoaching.com, and learn more about me. Other ways to find a limited scope lawyer can be found by searching on the internet and typing in your search browser, quote unquote, limited scope representation, unbundled representation, family law, child custody, support, and divorce. And add your state or county and you can find someone local. It's not all or nothing with the entire legal industry anymore. The legal profession doesn't freeze out people who won't pay their whole retainer. There's affordable options now where you can get the help that you can afford rather than overpaying for services that you don't need. It might not be as good as having a lawyer handle the whole case, but it's much better than nothing, I promise you that, and it's much more affordable. I hope you found this video helpful. Watch other informational videos on my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for new videos. To learn more about my legal services, click the links in the description section of this YouTube video or on one of the video links on your screen. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.